Hey, Jackson. Boy, I remember Gregory used to play with.
Hi.
Okay, and here's the dad, and you're the
great uncle.
Great uncle, yeah. And here is the grandpa.
Slide down. Slide down.
Here we go. Whoa!
Yay!
All right! Yay!
I'm back to do it again.
As fast as I can.
John, this will go on for hours.
That's okay. That's good. Are you having fun? Oh no! What's gonna happen?
Yeah,
He's definitely got the Wagner eyelashes though.
Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He's got the long eyelashes.
Move over here. Hi. Oh, let's see you come. Here he comes.
Go. No. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh.
Biggie boy!
We're making him do his tricks.
Biggie boy! Wow!
Whoa.
Yay!
Off he goes again.
And here's the mom. This is a video.
I figured. Careful.
But I've got a lot of tricks in it. This is going to be a good one.
Oh, good. Ha ha.
And here's the dog.
The maniac.
The maniac, yeah. Heinz.